Do you have wide calves and can't find tall boots or over-the-knee boots to fit you? Then let's fix that. Today is Tuesday Shoes Day, and every Tuesday here we talk about shoes. And today, where to buy over-the-knee boots and tall boots for my wide calf ladies. I'm part of the wide calf gang, and I used to have a hard time finding boots that fit me until I realized certain tips, certain tricks, and where to buy them. So the first tip that I want to share with you for my wide calf ladies on how to find tall boots and over-the-knee boots is to choose boots that don't have any straps or any type of buckles. These tall over-the-knee boots here in black are one of my classic ones, and what I love about these is that they're super simple. They don't have any types of straps, so if you're like me who has wide calves, the less strappier the better. These here are just fairly super simple, and they do have a wide style on the top. They do have something you can tie around the back, and what I love about this is that it's adjustable. You can make it a little tighter, you can also make it a little wider. These here definitely give me a lot of runway to fit my wide calves. A simple style, simple material like this can go a long way for my wide calf ladies. You can style them over a pair of jeans. This here is a classic winter outfit here with a pair of jeans, sweater, and a faux fur coat. And I love how stretchy and how much give these are that you can wear them over jeans. I think that a pair of boots like this that are super simple, no buckles, not extra zippers, and they will fit better for my ladies who have wide calves. Now, the next way you can ensure that your tall boots or over-the-knee boots can fit if you have wide calves is material. Material always matters. These tall boots here are in a sock material, and they are super stretchy. They're exactly that. Honestly, a pair of socks. They're super stretchy, so they give a lot of give for my wide calves. You don't want to opt for certain types of material like maybe leather or faux leather that don't particularly have too much stretch. Now, unless you're buying these types of over-the-knee boots or tall boots that are in leather or have any type of buckle, you would have to buy them specifically wide calf, and I'm going to be getting into that shortly. And make sure to stay into the end of the video because I'm going to be showing you a list of all these stores that I love to shop stylish over-the-knee boots and tall boots for wide calf. Now, these sock booties here are from a brand called Cuckoo. 90% of their shoes are made of that sock material, and that's when I realized that getting a pair of tall boots or over-the-knee boots in a sock material would work for my wide calves. These brown ones here are in a flat style. I love to have tall over-the-knee boots with a heel, but I also love to have a flat style like this for a casual look or a day of running errands in the winter. And just to share with you another style of their shoes from the brand Cuckoo shoes, here are a pair of a tall combat boot style. And when I saw these on the website, I possibly knew that they weren't going to fit me, but then I realized that the back is entirely of that sock material, so they do have that stretchy style to them. So again, material always matters when it comes to buying over-the-knee boots or tall boots and you have wide calves. A pair of boots with that stretchy style, that sock material, would work better for wide calf. And something else that I do opt for with my tall boots or over-the-knee boots, I like to go half a size bigger. Going half a size bigger, it gives me even more possibility for it to fit on my wide calves. And honestly, going half a size bigger, especially for winter boots when you know you have to wear thicker socks, won't make such a big difference. These brown boots and black boots can be worn casually. Here you can see them with a dress. I think that a pair of boots like this can go a long way in your wardrobe, and yes, my wide calf ladies can wear boots like this as well. Now let's talk about shopping places that specifically sell wide calf. I adore stores and brands who cater to wide calf ladies. Before, I always used to have a problem looking for specifically wide calf shoes online. I think that over the years, more stores and more brands are being more inclusive, and I love that they include a specific section for wide calf ladies. These boots here, if you follow my channel, you have seen these boots over and over, and these are specifically wide leg. I bought these off of Shoe Dazzle, and I love that you can filter specifically wide calf, and it honestly takes away the surprise if the boot is going to fit me because this is catered specifically for wide calf. And Shoe Dazzle, DSW, Amazon, JustFab are some of my favorite places that you can shop for wide calf, and they have a lot of different styles, different materials. So if you're not a fan of the first boots that I shared with you were simple, plain black, no buckles, not too many zippers, and you like more of that embellishment in boots, you can shop in these places here for specifically wide calf over-the-knee boots, and you can get them in any material, any type of embellishment that you like, and you can ensure that they would fit because they're very specific to wide calf ladies. Just like these here are in a faux leather material. They also do have a zipper, and these fit perfectly. And if you do have any doubt when shopping for wide calf tall boots or over the knee boots, even if you filter them to wide calf, you can always check the sizing chart. I always do that with every single tall boot or over the knee boot that I buy, just to ensure that they would fit 100%. You can measure the circumference of your calves and you can check the measurements on the site. And that's a great way to ensure that a pair of tall boots or over the knee boots are going to fit for a wide calf. Like I said, these snake print tall boots here have seen many miles here on the channel. I've paired them with skirts, with dresses, and I love how they just stand out. And I have no problem with the comfort of these because they are specific to wide calf. If you want to see more outfits on how to style tall boots and over the knee boots, here on the end screen I'm showing you 2 videos on how to style these boots.